Hey guys, it's Glen. How are you? I just wanted to quickly show you how to whitelist my email address. It's super simple to do. And basically, I'm going to show you in Gmail, but it's kind of like the same principle in all of the different email programs. So what I'm going to do is, first thing you want to do is, if you can't find the email from me, you can just always type in the word Glen. So we can go here and we'll go uh, Glen, and we're going to look down and we're going to find e-wallet support. So these all say Glen, but you want to find one that is from me. So this is a VIP Cheetah Alert. This is from a program. You might have signed up for this list. So what you want to do is you want to open that email up, and basically what you want to do is you want to just hover over the name right here, right? And see how it says priority delivery. What you want to do is you want to click the little add context. Now, if you're in Yahoo or if you're in Outlook or something like that, it might be a little bit different, but you want to add me as a contact. So you want to hit add contact, and then that's going to add me as a whitelisted contact for you. One of the emails I'm going to be sending from is GM@GM Digital Marketing. But I have different emails for different lists. So depending on which list you signed up for, you just want to, whenever you get an email from me, make sure you add it to your contacts so that you do get the emails. All my emails also have unsubscribe on them, guys. So if you don't want to receive the emails from me, you just hit unsubscribe. They're completely automatic. You are taken off the list, and if you're on multiple lists, depending on which autoresponder you're in, you will be taken off the list. But once you've done that, you can also go back. So we've added the contact. So let's go back to our inbox over here. And now we want to find it. Like let's look in the promotions tab, because we don't want to be going into the promotions tab. So right here, I'll scroll down. I don't think any of my emails are going into the promotions tab. So nothing's in there. So let's go to updates here. And now here it is, that email we just added as a contact. So what you want to do, guys, is, and this could be similar to Outlook, once you add me as a contact, usually it won't end up in spam or anything like that. But an extra precaution is you just grab the email itself and you want to drag it right onto the primary tab and just drop it in there. So now do this for future messages from support@smallbusinessmarketingpro. So I'm going to go yes. So now everything is going to go into my primary tab. So I know that I'm going to get all those emails are going to go right into my primary tab. So that's exactly how you do it, guys. Hopefully this has been helpful for you. And this has been how to whitelist an email sender and add as a contact and whitelist into your thing. I'll see you on the next one. And if you watch this to get my bonus, make sure you send me a screenshot or something, or tell me that, yep, I whitelisted you, and I will send you my 6-figure blueprint. All right, guys. Cheers. Bye.